Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, and today is Monday morning. It was cold, very cold at home, so that's why I am wearing too many clothes like this. It was cold, coldest. Can winter go already? Vaseline, guys. I use Vaseline everywhere on my body. That's why I'm looking like this. Petrol traffic that I'm heading to it there is so I'm going to stack a lot, and I had planned to pour in petrol when I'm in town already, but it's not gonna happen. Embarrassment of getting stuck because of petrol while you passed by so many garages on the way. I sharp, and I wanted to go that other side of Dalmada through the gravel road and join the circle on that side. Gravel and camera are not friends. It's going to do da 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 da. So and the traffic is just too much. I'm like stopped right now, and the circle is somewhere far ahead there. So let's talk, guys. Yeah, how is my day looking? I'm going to work right now, but then before going to work, I am going to be buying water for drinking. I use these containers, something call them sorry, they call them gallons. These are 10 liters of water. I have 10 liters of containers. I am having 2 of them. So this is a drinking water. I buy water for drinking separately, and I buy water for daily use. I store them in a tank, which is 2,500 liters of storage. This is my life that is going on. We buy every day. I'm left with a little money that is going to carry me until when? The end of this week. So I just put in some petrol there right now. And the reason why I'm driving a car today is because I have I have to buy water here, and even tomorrow I have some errands to do. Then just that, let me go. Look, this one is getting in front of me. It's a Vivo. It's getting in front of me. If we have an experience of VW, yeah, you know why. They are always in a hurry, these guys. So, and the sun is getting into my things. The reflection from the cars in front of me is getting into my eyes. So during the day, let me just take care of my eyes before it gets very extreme. Guys, I've cut my hair. It was uncombable, if there is English like that. It was not combing. It was not for the back. And I don't even care. I don't even care. Where I go, ke move ka back, ke move ka wallet fela. So back e thata go gore ka mogare release captain. Right now I have two containers of food. It's breakfast and lunch. For breakfast I'll be having barking the wheat bix and a cookie. Scones ke bakile, guys. If you've seen my previous videos, I don't know which one is going to go first, but definitely the baking one will go first before this one. So I baked some cookies, guys. I use a gas oven, and it just have fire under. There's no element for fire on top in the oven, so they heat up in at the bottom. The top remains like that, even though they are buja, but they are not looking the way scones should be looking, a little bit golden brown on top. Di petola, mara these ones are di petola. Di buba di tshweu ki tjaka di ja ke nna le bana ba ka fela ba di appreciate di budule. The fact kore a se di brown nka se di fe batho ba tlo di runa o ka di doje di tshweu, and then again mo kibile a gone go bake, but they are nice. So I'm going to be baking more often. My daughter loves cookies. My son doesn't like cookies that much, or he has that day of lena batho ba tshela terata. Batho ba tshela terata le basadi ka nnete, like everyone is looking at them. Bonang lena, I can't show you these people, but lena yo, but yeah, that's maybe the way they enter their gate. They are forfeiting the gate. What I want to see is that lady. I wish I can show you, but people's privacy, guys. I just want to see that lady with a small dress, mara she's wearing a legging inside. Bona o dia so o go ga di kobo bontsha gore ke ready ya go fofa. Everyone is looking at them. Ay yee hey, and we fufile people are people are just laughing. Shame. But guys, what will they do? Maybe that's how they enter their gate. So I'm nearly at the circle. We'll catch up before going to work.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
I bought that water here, and I prefer to do errands in the morning so that my day will look very smooth. And I bought some newspaper also. Yo, Jesus. So let me drive. Guys, now I save money in terms of 5 rand and 10 rands. If I made a change of this kind of money, it belongs to this container here. So there was a change after buying that water, and the 500 they've been at home for some times. So I put this thing here at work. I put this thing at work so that it can be convenient for me to put in the money. Gidile le shubamo. Here there's a smaller hole where I put in some 5 rands. So this thing stays for the whole year. After in December when we close, I take this thing home and go count it. It's not gonna be a lot of money, no pressure though. I don't have to just pressurize myself to fill in this thing. And down there are a lot of 5 rands. Up here it's 10 rands and a few of 20 rands. When you see me putting 20 rands here, it means it's Christmas for me. So this thing stays here at work.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end.